Hi, I'm Dr. Kyrin Dunston, board-certified medical doctor specializing in natural treatments for women that work. Welcome to Her Brilliant Health Secrets, where you'll find vital information that you won't find at your doctor's office. On this channel, you're going to learn the secret keys that I learned on my journey of losing 100 pounds and regaining my vitality. I'll teach you to successfully and naturally lose weight, regain your energy, heal from chronic disease, and get off prescription medications, and to create the brilliant health that is your birthright. What I'd love for you to do right now is to click the subscribe button. That way you can get all the incredible videos we're going to be sending out to you. Make sure to click the bell so that you'll be notified when a new episode is made available each week. Congratulations on finding the truth about your health. I'm so glad you'll be taking this journey with me.